So here are the women's show at the convention center. It shows you a variety of all sorts of arts, crafts, and products. So take a look.
You keep searching. He says, search no more. When you keep hurting. He says, hurt no more. When you were down and out. He kept you through the drought. Thomas don't know you like I do, Lord. If prayer's not working, you should thank the Lord.
And now we're leaving. And guess what they have? Free samples.
Be sure. One thing is certain, Jesus is perfect. He is the cure for all disaster. Jesus, He loves you now, forever after, because joy and peace He comes. Peace, love, joy and peace He comes. Peace, oh, you keep searching. Search no more. When you keep hurting. He says, hurt no more. When you were down and out. He kept you through the drought. Thomas don't know you like I do, Lord. If prayer's not working, you should thank the Lord. Because you can't see the inner workings, so you can't be sure. Certain Jesus is the perfect. He is the cure for all disease. You know Jesus, that He comes. Joy and peace He comes. Love, joy and peace He comes. This is the power.
So here are the women's show at the convention center. It shows you a variety of all sorts of arts, crafts, and products. So take a look with me on this journey.
I think of the environment, by the way. Oh, that's
Did you hand me the green coffee? It's still there. It was like there somewhere. Tigers on my. I could use a little snap.
Fascinating. Lighter.
So guys, all of these are candles.
Like woody. And mostly like flowers and food.
So we're getting one of each of these. Gonna buy some stuff today. You're in Candy Camera.
Me?
You're Miss.
Oh. I was like, huh?
So we're buying some stuff. So this is what we're buying today. What are we buying today?
Two more of the
Those.
This is nice.
This one here.
Oh, your sister know how to edit and whatnot.
So we're gonna try it. It's like an almond biscuit. It's really, really, really good.
Find the milk.
Do 6 at a time, 8 at a time. Just bring them all down. We'll get it in the finish. 30 seconds in.
I didn't know. Yeah, I don't know where it's like, I want to.
No, I said just bring a few more down. Don't let them.
Oh, yes.
Let it sit too long and know.
Yeah, that'd be me. That would be me.
We have two sizes for that. How many of these? Two. Did the walk box, is these okay? Walk box?
Yes. What?
So she said, I'm like, how are you writing after then?
Guys, example.
Sure, why not?
Very kind. And also, let me give you a quick boost and more sense of energy. Yeah, that push you forward. Yeah. Now that audience said that.
Sorry, what's this
And
one
here we are, desserts, guys. My desserts. Oh my gosh. I could eat every single one of these.
called? Okay, thank you.
It's really good.
And I got a sample of that one right there. There's my finger. Yeah, I'm loving the calabash. The calabash is really nice.
Calabash.
Right?
It's a long time ago I got it from you.
So, Auntie, next year you sell calabash too.
You know what? I'm trying to find people to do it, but there's not much people doing it anymore.
Yeah. And you have all the currants roll, guys. She got the pone. She got the rum cake. Oh, cheese. She got the coconut tart thing here. And we just purchased the ginger beer. Yeah. So we got currants roll, guys.
I think I see a lot of people when they're baking at home. They use the filodo.
Really good.
I can't do the filament though.
Yeah, it's hard to get it the flaky consistency.
You can't have the pastry. Going back.
And now we're leaving. And guess what? They have free samples. So I am so ready for these samples.
Hello, you get a body wash. Smell it. I'm not convinced that smells good. You know, oh, you like? How much you like? Oh, you like a lot? There you go. You like a lot.
I like.
You
One
like?
more. Thank you.
Smell it.
Free.
Yes, it is.
There you go. Free tea. Can I have another tea? Yay. Oh, thank you. You're welcome. And that's everything? One more. Why not? Thank you so much. Hey, guys. So this is my free stuff. I got some body wash. I got some medication. I got some... Woohoo!
How come you get 2 of that?
Because I said, can I have 2?
Oh.
So let me show you what I have, guys. Let me show it to you properly. So I got this. I don't know who has kids. Got some tea. And I got some body wash. So that's everything that I got. And free is my name. Thank you so much for being here with me to the women's show. And that's going to be a wrap for today. And bye.